Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration YM15EMX. 2015 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 125 PSD, cab limited L2. It's done 135,000 miles with full service history. It's a factory crew cab. The van comes with heated seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen. At LWB factory fitted crew cab in great condition overall with the 2.2 engine and best color. Full MOT and service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. No VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188.